Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Business Talk. And in today's episode, I'd like to cover the question, how do you sell your product online? So I've been getting posed that question quite often these days in terms of people that has been affected due to COVID. So if you have been selling products in an offline basis, a lot of people are still staying indoors. A lot of people are not going out to buy items other than essentials. But as lockdown regulations start easing out and more people start venturing out, it still leaves an opportunity for you to sell your products online. And in today's episode, as mentioned, we are going to be discussing how to sell your products online. So for those that have just tuned into our channel, I am Shane Michner, the founder of The Business Media, where we focus on helping small businesses transition from previously brick and mortar and offline stores and helping them in their online journey. So everything from building, designing and developing your online store, as well as the advertising and marketing around getting your first customers, your first sales, and essentially getting your first orders out the door. So as mentioned, today's topic is about how to sell your products online. So without further ado, the first point I'd like to bring up is selling it through Facebook Marketplace. So selling your products through Facebook Marketplace allows you to easily sell products to an existing platform. So Facebook has more than 2.4 billion users worldwide, and each and every day more and more people are spending time and spending essentially their money on Facebook as well as Facebook Marketplace. And that is why it's important to be able to list and create your product on Facebook Marketplace, and essentially it also allows you to easily and conveniently communicate to your customers using the Messenger or WhatsApp function. Secondly is owning your own online store. So it's no better time to launch and have your own online store than today. As mentioned again, the coronavirus has really much amplified and gotten more and more people to start shopping and purchasing and spending their money through online stores. And that is important why your business needs to have its own online store and online presence. So talking about an online store, there are various options around. The most popular ones, and namely are Shopify, WooCommerce, as well as BigCommerce, but as well as local and both international smaller platforms that have been popping up. Again, all of these platforms has its pros and cons, and all of them have different fees associated in terms of monthly as well as once-off cost to use these platforms. But again, the investment in an online store is much more affordable than if you had to open up a physical retail store, whether it is in a market or if it is even in a retail or a retail mall. And then last but not least is selling your products through a marketplace. So a marketplace is essentially a website or a platform that allows you to sell your products through their store, where they have already built up the store and marketplace as well as all the back-end functionalities and features, whether it is the payment gates, selecting the courier partners that the marketplace is going to work with, and essentially as well as assisting you with advertising and marketing. But most importantly, a marketplace already has existing customers, already has an existing platform, and more essentially already has existing customers that are willing and potentially able to buy and purchase your product. So these marketplaces have been coming up more and more regular in terms of businesses worldwide. But looking at the known marketplaces from a global point of view, you would look at the likes of Amazon and Walmart. But when you look into more of an African and South African context, you are looking at the likes of Takealot, Bid or Buy, as well as more African-focused platforms such as Jumia. These platforms allow you to list your products on their platform, and the only time that you have to really much do work is when you have to actually provide the order, where it means you have to pick and pack your orders for your customers. And that really much summarizes the ways and means that you can go about selling your products online. And just to recap again, it's selling through Facebook Marketplace, with secondly having your own online store, whether it is a Shopify, WooCommerce, or an Ecwid online store. And then lastly is selling your product through an existing marketplace. We mentioned the likes of Amazon, Walmart, as well as Takealot, BidObuy, or Jumia from a local African and South African perspective. And that pretty much summarizes today's episode. But if you have any questions, feel free to leave your questions down below in the comment box, as we'll be releasing weekly videos talking around the topics of building an online store, how do you advertise and market your online business. And something we'll cover more in advanced format is, how do you then support your customers in terms of your growth and development of your online business. And that is it from today's episode. And this is Shane Bichner, again founder of the Business Media as well as presenter of the Business Talk. Let's learn, work, and grow together. Thanks very much, guys. Keep well. Bye.